From Earth to Art. The Journey of Clay Pottery. Hey there, Year 8 students. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of clay pottery production. Let's explore how a simple lump of clay transforms into beautiful ceramic products. We'll journey from the very source, where this amazing material is mined from the earth, to the skilled hands of artisans who mold and shape it. Get ready to get your hands dirty. Metaphorically speaking, of course, as we learn about the history, science, and artistry of clay pottery. The Big Dig: Unearthing the Soul of Pottery. Our journey begins not in a workshop but under our feet with the raw material itself, clay. Clay is formed over eons from the weathering of rocks, a process that creates fine particles that clump together. Miners extract this valuable resource using heavy machinery like excavators and bulldozers, transporting it to processing plants. From mud to magic, the alchemy of clay preparation. Fresh from the earth, the raw clay arrives at the workshop, but it's not ready for the potter's wheel just yet. First, we need to remove impurities like pebbles and organic matter to ensure a smooth, consistent texture. Next, we add water and mix it thoroughly, a process called wedging, which removes air bubbles and ensures even moisture distribution. The final consistency is crucial. Too wet, and it'll slump. Too dry, and it will crack. Shaping the earth, from lump to form. Now comes the exciting part, shaping the clay. There are several methods, each leaving its own unique mark on the final piece. One of the oldest is hand building, where potters use simple tools and their bare hands to pinch, coil, and slab build the clay. Then there's wheel throwing, a mesmerizing dance between potter and wheel, where a lump of clay is centered on a rotating wheel and shaped. Molds offer another way to achieve uniform shapes, especially for mass production. Each technique requires precision and a deep understanding of the clay's properties, transforming a shapeless lump into a vessel full of potential. Our clay creation, now imbued with the artisan's vision, isn't ready for the kiln just yet. Rushing the process can lead to disastrous cracking, so we embrace a period of slow, even drying. As it dries, the water evaporates, and the clay particles draw closer together. To prevent cracks, potters often use techniques like slow, ambient air drying or covering the pieces with plastic to control moisture loss. This drying period also allows the potter to add finishing touches, refining the shape and smoothing out any imperfections. The kiln, a type of oven specifically designed for pottery, is where the magic truly happens. This is where the clay, now brittle and dry, undergoes a metamorphosis, transforming from a fragile form into a durable, lasting object. Once the pottery has cooled, it's time for glazing, a process that adds both beauty and function. Glazes are like thin coats of glass, applied by dipping, brushing, or spraying, melting in the kiln to create a waterproof, often colorful surface. The fired glaze also highlights the textures and carvings, bringing the potter's vision to life. With the pottery fired and glazed, our journey reaches its final stage, decoration. This is where the artisan's personality truly shines through, adding those unique touches that elevate each piece from object to art. Imagine a skilled hand, wielding a brush with precision, applying delicate floral patterns or bold geometric designs. Some potters prefer carving, incising intricate details into the clay before firing, creating textures that play with light and shadow. Others might add embellishments like handles or spouts, not just for decoration but also for functionality. From the simplest markings to the most elaborate designs, decoration breathes life and personality into the pottery. And that's how a simple lump of clay becomes a beautiful piece of pottery. We've followed its fascinating journey from the earth through skilled hands and fiery trials to become a testament to human creativity. Remember, every mug you hold, every plate you eat from, holds within it this incredible story of transformation. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.